My SLO CAL? You're looking at it.
My SLO CAL stretches for miles.
My SLO CAL is fields and farms.
Mountains, valleys, oceans.
It's the cliffs and the waves.
From Ragged Point to Napomo.
And everything in between.
My SLO CAL is family.
4 generations deep.
Yeah, we go back a ways.
My SLO CAL is boogie boarding and cowboy cookie ice cream.
Surfing, hiking, and wine tasting all in the same day.
It's the fresh oysters from right here.
It's a piece of mom's pie.
It's having a few friends over for dinner.
It's the people here.
It's the neighbors I grew up with.
And the ones up the grade.
Down the grade. Over the grade?
It's only a hill.
My SLO CAL is the craft.
Whites and the reds.
The greens.
It's the beautiful blue skies. It should break any second.
My SLO CAL is being stewards of the bay.
Not being sheepish about sustainability.
This is my SLO CAL.
And this.
Yep, right here.
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 That's right. Here too.
Here.
Over here. It's home.
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 It's home.
It's my home.
It's our home.
This is my SLO CAL, and it's yours too.
Cheers.